Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I am working on a rooster curtain. It's going to be two pieces with the valance and the panel. It's a custom order that I have received, and I am working on the measurements as I need to play around. So I'm going to do a tutorial. I just wanted to show you what I'm using. I'm using 100% cotton yarn, which I bought it from Crochet. And I already did a tutorial on how to crochet the rooster. Because of the measurements being different, I am going to show you how to work that up so you can get the idea. 20 by, the height is 20, the length is 35. So I am crocheting it, and I finished one piece of the rooster, and I'm going to start on the second piece, but I will start showing at the beginning on how to figure it out so you will get the idea. The yarn is 100% cotton. It's between 2 to 3 weight. I would say light 3 weight, and I am using a 3mm crochet hook. Here is me crocheting. Yeah, it's all mathematics. And here is one of the roosters I've finished. So this is going to be the top of the curtain, and the bottom I will do a different tutorial because it's pointy. Okay, just wanted to give you some update. I am working at this at the moment due to custom order. Okay, I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.